There's a common phrase in the business slash e-commerce world that goes like this. It only takes one product to change your life. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you a one product Shopify store, a Shopify store that has grown primarily through this one product and has achieved a $4 million per month run rate. It's quite unbelievable. On this channel, if you're new here, we are always talking about money, positivity, all good things, all valuable things, so that every time you watch one of my videos or one of my streams, you come out a better person. So we try to learn together, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to break down this incredible store. Let's get right into it. So let's start out with some of the data here. One of the biggest pieces of advice that I can give you for success, and keep in mind, this is exactly what I've done with my team on our own store here, for example, where we did 16K in May, and we're able to 10X that to 144K in June. It's really all about being data driven. You don't want to get too artistic when it comes to building your first businesses. Now, look, you can see some of the numbers here, right? This store is printing over $4 million per month. That tells us a lot. It really tells us everything we need to know, right? It tells us this product has a ton of demand and this brand is clearly doing something right when it comes to the marketing. So that's why we love to study and break down these kinds of businesses so that we can also get to this level. I'm trying, guys, every day. We're trying to get to these levels too. So subscribe to the channel if you want to be a part of the journey. I promise you we will get there. So I would love to do it with you. Now, this is the store. It's called Backbone. I've actually covered this in a very old video, but we're making it again, okay? Because this is just a lot of value. There's a lot that can be learned through this. What this is really a mobile gaming accessory. That's all it is. It just allows you to connect a joystick to your iPhone or smartphone in order to be able to play any video game you really want. If you don't know, gaming is one of the most powerful industries. However, it's been hard to monetize. People think crypto gaming is the next big thing. You know, there's esports teams that are trying to do stuff, but they're all losing a ton of money. However, the people really making money with gaming are the people that are actually either selling good games, such as Blizzard, such as Riot Games, or the companies that are providing accessories for gamers, such as this, such as G Fuel, such as Nvidia. I mean, Nvidia is a little bit different. That one's, more so computing as a whole. But you get my point. These are the people selling the shovels in a gold rush. Now, you see, what's really great about a brand like this, first of all, is that they can capitalize on all of the different games that are coming out. For example, Diablo, Grand Theft Auto, Roblox for mobile, all these games that just have huge demand. They can make content with them through their product and promote their product as well while doing that. So that is a massive strategy for growth these days. It's just to literally make TikToks, make content for your product, and you will grow. But let me show you just real quick another key to their success, because they're not just, doing that. Another big key to their success is introducing a meta ads, paid ads strategy. As you see, this is incredible. 650 different ads. So imagine having a billboard out there that only shows your ad to gamers, right? And you're a gaming company. That is insanely powerful. Imagine now having 650 different billboards out there, and all of them showing to gamers only, not just to everybody running down the street, stressing out about getting to their job on time. Literally just gamers, just your target demographic. That is the power of Meta. And in order to take advantage of that, it's actually super easy. Everybody has access to Meta ads. You just have to create a business account on the Meta platform, and that will allow you to run ads on Meta, or Facebook rather, and Instagram. This is incredibly powerful. This is why I've built a whole entire team of media buyers on Meta, and we provide services like this to other companies. It's incredibly powerful. It's much more powerful than you guys could probably believe right now. But I showed you some of the results from our own brands, and that's entirely through Meta. But the cool thing about this is that they're really running an organic approach that then morphs into paid media. So this is the playbook. This is what you got to write down right here if you're taking any notes. And what I'm writing down personally, but we're also already applying this, so I already know this, but it's cool to see it in practice at a $4 million a month level. And what it is creating content organically, such as this, where they're answering a question. Got this as a gift and I love it. I can play console games without owning a console. And then just replying to that comment. They probably did this on TikTok with the product. And then what they do is, they post a ton on TikTok, obviously, and then repurpose that across all other social media platforms that you can post short form content on. My camera died. That's my bad. I don't know where I left off. But what I was saying is, oh yeah, I remember. Now, this is where they're taking that strategy to the next level. And this is what most people don't do, right? They'll go to TikTok, start posting TikToks, make a little bit of sales, do pretty well, but then they don't know how to make that super consistent by just simply taking that content that you see working on TikTok and making sales and amplifying it through meta ads. That's the best way to explain it. You're amplifying your content through meta ads, but as I explained to you, it's not just spending money on amplifying it just to random people out there. It's literally amplifying it and showing it to the exact type of person that is likely to buy this product. That is why it's so powerful. So that's really about it for this video. I just wanted to show you this incredible store. And if you want to learn more about meta ads, we do have a course in the Akemi Lab, but that's not all the Akemi Lab is. It's actually more of a research community where we provide real-time trends and data across so many different e-commerce industries, in ads, a lot of different things. It's really an incredible product. I use it every day, and we do calls in there. It's super cool, so I suggest you join. But if you don't want to do that, if you can't afford it for whatever reason, which I understand, investing in yourself can be pretty difficult sometimes, then I suggest that you just literally look up some Facebook and meta ads tutorials on my channel. I have like 5 of them and they're all relevant. So use those. And if you can't start a Shopify store, you don't know how, or you don't know how to find products, again, look it up on my channel. There's a search feature specifically on my channel where you can find all sorts of content. We've made over 1,000 videos. It's actually insane to think. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.